Welcome to MBRP TV. Today we're here taking a look at a 2011 Jeep Sahara. This is a JK model. It's a four-door. We make systems for both two and four-door Jeeps, the Rubicon, Saharas, any of the JK models basically. We're going to get into it here and take a look at our catback systems. So we start up front here. Our catback systems are all bolt-on. The stock system's removable. Basically you take it apart in pieces, it comes off, and then our system starts at the factory Y pipe. It's 2.5-inch stainless steel mandrel bent. Basically then we go into our muffler. Our designers spent a fair bit of time dyno testing and designing these mufflers specifically for the 3.8 liter. It's not a universal fit muffler. We spent a lot of time squeezing every little bit of power out of these 3.8 liter motors as we could. We moved it from the rear to the center of the Jeep, so there's no interference issues with off-roading. If you're crawling rocks, you're not going to hit a muffler in the center. Something at the back, depending on your approach or departure angles, you can run into clearance issues and things like that. So pretty clean setup. We're going to move back into the tailpipe here and show you the rear section of the exhaust. So the rear section of our Jeep, just following back here from the muffler, we did an off-road turn down. The system is designed for the off-roader. It does not mean it's for off-road use only. Basically we don't affect any of the emission stuff. It's all still factory. We just basically did an off-road turn down tailpipe. So there's no chance of hanging it up on rocks or trees, things like that when you're off-roading. The tailpipe's not really visible out the rear. It's tucked up nice and high. Gets rid of that ugly looking stock muffler in the back and probably saves you a few pounds in weight reductions as well. So this system, once again, all bolt together. We use AccuSeal band clamps, T409 stainless, lifetime warranty. The aluminized systems have a 3-year warranty and really basic to install. You know, you can do this at home in your own garage with some pretty minimal tools. So any questions, feel free to ask us. The bottom of the video, comment, rate, and by all means, you know, if you're looking for the ultimate off-road exhaust system for your Jeep, 2007 newer, we build for everything basically, so let us know. So for the guys running our system, our turn-down system on the two-door JKs, the muffler is actually going to be closer. There's going to be less midsection in this straight pipe here, and the muffler is going to sit right next to the evap canister. It basically creates a little bit of a heat issue close to the evap canister, so we've created this heat shield. It just slips into place and basically creates a barrier between the hot exhaust and evap canister. So there's no relocation of the lines or anything like that. It's just a quick and simple bolt-on heat shield that makes this system absolutely perfect for any of the guys with the two doors as well. And lastly here, we've got a muffler skid plate. Now for the guys that think there's no such thing as overkill, this relocate system is all but impossible to hit when off-roading, but if you get into some really tricky spots and think, you know, you just want that extra little bit of protection, we've built this muffler skid plate that basically bolts into place using the same mounting locations as the evap canister and existing holes on the frame rails. It's 3/8 plate, heavy-duty steel, powder coated just like the rest of our stuff. It's a high heat black powder coat, so the exhaust shouldn't really hurt the coating at all. But bolts into place and just gives you that extra little bit of added peace of mind, knowing that you're never going to rip that muffler off, doesn't matter what you drag this thing over.